New Amazon home gadget. This easy-to-install remote control curtain opener fits over most curtain rods and can be operated with the touch of a button. This gadget is suitable for any room in the house. The device can be programmed to open when the sun rises and close when the sun sets. The batteries last 6 to 8 months, so only charge once or twice a year. iGadget. Create memorable videos with this phone holder that has a built-in AI camera system. It intelligently tracks and rotates by recognizing your face and body, making it perfect for video chat. The AI robot can be mounted to a tripod, give the OK signal to start tracking. It has an adjustable clip with a 360-degree rotation, making this the perfect gift for aspiring content creators. Hold your palm up to stop tracking, and the battery lasts for 8 hours on this AI gadget.